How can I get rid of the unpleasant smell caused by possums?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. Are you dealing with an unpleasant smell caused by possums? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll discuss effective methods to get rid of that unwanted odor and restore freshness to your surroundings. So, let's dive right in.
Understanding the source of the smell.
Before we tackle the solutions, it's important to understand the source of the smell. Possums, like many other animals, have a distinctive odor that can be quite pungent. They often mark their territory with their urine and feces, which can result in a strong and unpleasant smell. Additionally, if a possum has taken refuge in your home or attic, the smell can become more concentrated over time.
Removing possum waste and cleaning the area.
The first step in eliminating the smell is to remove the possum waste and clean the affected area thoroughly. Wear gloves and protective clothing while doing this to avoid any potential health risks. Here's what you need to do. 1. Locate the affected areas. Identify the spots where the possum waste is present. This might include your yard, attic, crawl spaces, or any other areas the possums have accessed. 2. Remove the waste. Carefully remove the possum waste using a shovel, scoop, or disposable bags. Ensure proper disposal of the waste according to local regulations. 3. Clean the area. Use a mixture of water and a mild detergent to clean the affected area. Scrub the surfaces thoroughly, including floors, walls, or any other surfaces that might have come in contact with the waste. 4. Deodorize the area. After cleaning, use a vinegar solution or a commercial enzyme-based cleaner specifically designed to eliminate odors caused by animal waste. Follow the instructions on the product for best results.
Sealing entry points and preventing future infestations.
To prevent possums from returning and causing further odor issues, it's important to seal off their entry points and make your property less appealing to them. Here are some steps you can take. 1. Inspect your property. Carefully examine your home and surrounding areas for any gaps, holes, or entry points that possums might use to access your property. Pay attention to vents, chimneys, crawl spaces, and other potential entryways. 2. Seal the entry points. Use materials such as wire mesh, metal flashing, or caulking to seal off any gaps or openings. Make sure to cover vents and chimneys with appropriate mesh screens to prevent possums from entering. 3. Remove food sources. Possums are attracted to easily accessible food sources. Secure your trash cans with tight-fitting lids, remove fallen fruits or bird feeders, and avoid leaving pet food outside overnight. 4. Create a deterrent. Possums dislike certain smells, such as ammonia or citrus, so you can try using these scents as a deterrent. Soaking rags in ammonia or spraying citrus-scented sprays around the perimeter of your property might help discourage possums from returning. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively eliminate the unpleasant smell caused by possums and prevent them from returning. Remember to prioritize safety by wearing protective gear and ensuring proper disposal of waste. If the odor persists or you're facing a persistent possum problem, it's always a good idea to seek